How to clear history of your run command. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily clear out your run command's history. So you use this run command to basically head over to a specific application directly. If you want to clear out all of these commands and its history, you're going to have to go ahead and open run command first by pressing Windows plus R and then type in regedit, hit enter, click on yes. And once you are here, you want to go to H key current user. And then from here, just head over to software, click on the drop down, and then find the Microsoft folder right here. So from here, click on Microsoft right here. And from here, find Windows. Scroll down all the way until you find Windows folder. Under here, current version. And then find the Explorer folder. So scroll down. Here is the Explorer folder. And now scroll down until you find the Run MRU folder. So which would be right here. Click on it. You'll find all of these values right here, A, B, C, D. All you have to do is right click on it and delete these values. These are stored as the DWORD 32-bit values on this folder. So go ahead and delete all of them, except for the MRU list and the default DWORD value. So once that is done, close all of this out. And now finally, you can just go ahead and see for yourself on your run dialog box. So let's just close this, open our run dialog box. And if I click on this drop down, nothing appears. That means our history has been cleared. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.